Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Jazz on Jazzy the Tech Freak TV. I do apologise folks, I've been away long and I feel bad. I do apologise. I was a bit cheeky actually. That last video I dropped was a bit of a teaser to let you know when I was going to be back, but not exactly when I was going to be back. But I do apologise. Just to quickly, I've been using the Note 8 ever since it's been launched, and you know, it's a fabulous phone. I'll be doing a video, upcoming video about the One UI on the Samsung. But in the meantime, I'll be dropping a video tomorrow, and I've got some exciting tech coming up. But tomorrow's unboxing is going to be the Palm phone, and I cannot wait. Apparently this is supposed to be a companion to your original phone, so you know, keep watching. I'll be dropping a video tomorrow. I'm not quite sure what time though, but it'll definitely be up there tomorrow, so stay tuned. This is Jazz on Jazz the Tech Freak TV, signing out.